When homeowners think about upgrading their doors, the first thing that usually comes to mind is style. Color, design, glass details, and overall appearance are important, but there's another factor that matters even more: installation quality. No matter how attractive a door looks, it can only perform as well as it's installed. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, proper door installation plays a bigger role in comfort, durability, and long-term satisfaction than door style alone. A well-installed door starts with the right fit. One of the most critical aspects of door installation is achieving a precise fit. Even small gaps between the door and frame can lead to drafts, moisture intrusion, and performance issues over time. Poor alignment can also cause doors to stick, drag, or fail to close properly. In Pompano Beach homes, a properly installed door fits securely within the frame, creating a tight seal that supports comfort and protection. This precise fit ensures the door functions smoothly from day one, regardless of its design. Protecting indoor comfort doors serve as a barrier between indoor and outdoor environments. When installation is rushed or poorly executed, that barrier weakens. Air leaks around the door allow outside conditions to influence indoor comfort, making rooms feel uneven or uncomfortable. Quality installation helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures by sealing the door correctly. For Pompano Beach homeowners, this means enjoying a more balanced indoor environment without drafts or uncomfortable temperature shifts near entryways. Preventing moisture problems before they start. Moisture intrusion is a common issue when doors aren't installed properly. Inadequate sealing or flashing can allow water to enter around the door frame, leading to long-term damage that may not be immediately visible. A professionally installed door includes proper sealing and finishing details that help direct moisture away from the entryway. Pompano Beach homeowners benefit from this added protection, which helps prevent hidden damage and preserves the integrity of the home. Ensuring smooth operation over time. A door that looks great but doesn't operate smoothly quickly becomes a source of frustration. Poor installation can cause hinges to loosen, frames to shift, or doors to sag over time. High-quality installation ensures the door opens and closes effortlessly and continues to do so for years. Pompano Beach homeowners often find that professionally installed doors maintain their functionality far longer than those installed without attention to detail. Supporting door longevity. Even the highest quality door materials can deteriorate prematurely if installation is subpar. Stress points caused by improper alignment or uneven support can shorten a door's lifespan. Quality installation distributes weight evenly and ensures all components work together as intended. For homeowners in Pompano Beach, this means the door maintains its appearance and performance longer, regardless of style. Improving security at entry points. Security depends on more than locks. It depends on how well the door is anchored to the home. Poor installation can weaken the entire entry system, making it easier for doors to be forced or compromised. Proper installation reinforces the door frame and ensures locking mechanisms engage correctly. Pompano Beach homeowners gain peace of mind knowing their doors are installed to support safety as well as style. Style still matters, but it comes second. While design is important for curb appeal and personal expression, style alone can't compensate for poor installation. A beautifully designed door that leaks air, allows moisture in, or doesn't close properly will eventually become a problem. In Pompano Beach homes, installation quality determines whether a door truly enhances the home or creates ongoing issues. Investing in performance, not just appearance. Choosing a door is about more than how it looks, it's about how it performs every day. Quality installation ensures your door delivers comfort, durability, and reliability. For Pompano Beach homeowners, prioritizing installation quality over style alone leads to better long-term results. A well-installed door not only looks good but also supports a comfortable, secure, and well-functioning home for years to come.